FX Empire is proud to review Alpari. If you're a Forex trader, undoubtedly you would have heard of Alpari, and they've been around since 1998. They've earned a very strong reputation for themselves as a reliable broker, one that offers trust and transparency to their traders. There's a very good reason that this company have gone from a small company to the giant that it is today. However, even though they are a giant, no trader is too small or too large for them to cope with. Currently, they have well over 1 million clients that are signed up, and they continue to develop and innovate their product to make sure that clients can trade a whole range of financial markets with some of the best trading conditions around. A highly regulated and reliable company, these guys have won plenty of awards over the years. Shortly, we'll be logging into the MetaTrader 4. But first, just take a look at some of these credits here. 1 million clients, 18 years in the Forex market, one of the only companies with that much experience. Reliability with 3 international licenses. Authority, the largest MetaTrader broker. So if you're looking to trade with the MetaTrader 4, you've got it here. Also, money managers, this is the place for you. And finally, the Alpari cashback program is a great incentive where the more you trade, the more cashback you get. So it stands in your interest to trade with this company. And what's more, you can access over 73 instruments across currencies, spot metals and CFDs. You can take advantage of a maximum leverage of 1 to 1,000, however use cautiously if you're a newbie trader. Very narrow spreads, which we'll be taking a look at, and they start from 0 points, 0 points. Also ECN technology, which is electronic communications network, where they pass on the trades to a third party, where you get access to intrabank liquidity and some amazing trading conditions. Very fast deposits and withdrawals, which is also, of course, very important. You don't want to be pestered every time you want to make a withdrawal, and access to MetaTrader 4 and 5. Take a look at some of the money managers here that trade with Alpari, and perhaps you want to follow some of these traders yourself by clicking on this button here. We mentioned a little about the cashback program. Well, you can see this is a serious business with 4,697,744 paid out to clients so far. Let's now log into the platform and take a look at the web trader for ourselves. So very simple to log into. This is how the web trader looks, very similar to the download version, which you can also use if you prefer. And as you can see, this window on the left here shows all the available symbols. The one on the right is where the charts are, and you can also trade directly from charts by clicking on sell or buy. This is one-click trading. Make sure you know what you're doing and that you've placed the correct trade before you activate one-click trading, or you can use the other way of trading, which you need to confirm each and every trade, with a variety of different charts to look at, and also loads of indicators, lines and channels and tools for you to implement into your chart. As you can see, trend lines, oscillators, volumes, Bollinger Bands and plenty more besides. In order to bring up a window of your chosen symbol, simply click on it and you can see what's going on here. You can also use the drop-down list here, which is very quick. Type in your volume, your stop loss, your take profit, any comment you'd like to leave for yourself, instant execution or pending order, and sell or buy. Very, very simple there. Back to the website now. Learn a lot about the company by clicking on the About Us, and I think you'll find the story quite interesting. You can check out some of the bonuses and promotions on offer here, including the cashback, which we mentioned earlier. The availability of assets for you to trade, you can check them out here. You can also check out your trading conditions, so that means your spreads and other conditions available to you, including leverage, which is here. These are some of the account types. So we're looking at Nano MT4, Standard MT4, Standard MT5, ECN MT4, ECN Pro MT4, and ECN MetaTrader 5. So plenty of accounts to choose from. By the way, you can also trade binary options with Alpari's proprietary platform. And if you'd like to trade on behalf of other people, you can do that through the PAM account. Make sure you speak to the company if you have any questions. We took a quick look at the platform. Well, there's also MetaTrader 5, trading apps for the iPhone and the Android too. The company offer plenty of Forex analysis and loads of Forex education. And also, if you feel like a bit of a competition, well, there's loads of contests each week for you to get involved in. In order to speak to the company, you can speak to them over the phone. There's plenty of localised numbers too, and also live chat. And before we go, let's take a quick look at the company history, which you can work your way throughout the years to see what has been going on and what awards have been won. And finally, regulation. Well, with 3 regulatory bodies, including the Vincent and Grenadines body, as well as the Belize and also the FCA in the UK. And that's it, a quick look at a superb powerhouse of a company. This is Alpari, brought to you by FX Empire.